Hello beautiful, welcome back to another Kennel Club bite-sized tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to add media like songs or videos to be played with a hotkey in OBS and Streamlabs OBS. This is going to be an easy way that you can take your streaming game to the next level with some on-the-fly songs and videos. First, let's add our media source. This can be any audio or video file you want to play during your stream. Go ahead and click the Add button under Sources and go ahead and select Media Source. Go ahead and select the Add a New Source button at the bottom here, and then let's go ahead and name it. For this one, we're going to name it Woof Woof Meow. And then we're going to go ahead and grab our MP3 file off our desktop here.
Woof Woof Meow.
Next, let's configure our media source. So here are your options for the source. Make sure you want to turn off loop unless you want it to play repeatedly. Here we want this to be a sound that plays on demand, so we're going to make sure that this restart playback when source becomes active is elected for the one-time plays. Now, since this is an audio file that we want to hear too as the broadcaster, we're going to make sure we go into our audio properties and set this to monitor as well as output. Next, we need to set up a hotkey to control our media playback. Go ahead and go to Settings, and then Hotkeys. Scroll down to find your media source. The newest media sources are all the way at the bottom of the list. First, we're going to assign a key to restart the source whenever we press the hotkey. Choose something you can easily remember and access while streaming. For example, this audio clip of Slay Queen AB, I'm going to use Alt-Q for Queen. Finally, let's test our hotkey to make sure everything works perfectly.
Woof Woof Meow. Woof Woof Meow. Woof Woof Meow.
As you can see, pressing Alt and Q restarts this playback every time I press the hotkey. And that's it! You did it! I'm proud of you. You added media playback hotkeys to your OBS or your Streamlabs OBS setup. Now you can spice up your stream. Now you got some of the good stuff. Congratulations, I'm proud of you. You did it! As a bonus tip, set up some hotkeys that you can use as a mass mute and unmute button for all your hotkeys, just in case you need to shut your sounds down on the fly for a big moment on stream. I use Control-0 on the number pad to mute since it's nice and big, and then the Control and the period button right next to it to unmute. Go through and assign those options to every hotkey in the same location in the settings menu. Take care, you beautiful babies. I'll be seeing you soon.